Hey, Paul Donohue, how are you?
Hi, Jeffrey. Doing great, man. I'm looking forward to this conversation.
I am too. So we want to talk to people that are just, looking for something different, maybe something to align better with their passion that has a longer glide path.
Anybody who's considering making a career change, you're coming out of the financial services industry, the real estate industry, the forward mortgage side. We're talking about home equity conversion and serving baby boomers and beyond in the reverse mortgage space over here at Mutual of Omaha Mortgage. Why is this age wave such a big deal demographically, Jeffrey?
We refer to it as peak 65, right? This is the aging baby boomers, the post, World War II era, 1946 to 1964. Well, guess what? That wave is coming, and with them brings a lot of not only incredible opportunity, but uniqueness in terms of how you can serve them. Paul, tell me a little bit about your background so that they understand why you are the person to talk to.
I am the Mid-Atlantic area manager, sales manager for Mutual of Omaha Mortgage, and we specialize in home equity conversion mortgages, working with baby boomers and beyond to help enhance their retirement outcomes. We're building out our team across the entire United States. How about you, Jeffrey?
Jeffrey Wallace, I'm the Director of Strategic Business Planning for Mutual of Omaha Mortgage. And nationally, I help our leadership group, align our efforts and our resources, and more importantly, our salespeople strategically to, how are we going to solve and serve the baby boomer peak 65 generation? With that, can you just give some of the statistics about why this opportunity is so massive?
Yes, the peak 65, basically baby boomers as a generation have not saved enough. However, they've accumulated more home equity than any generation in history. There's $15 trillion of available home equity for baby boomers who are going to need to tap into that for the long, good years that they have in front of us, in front of them. For us, I'm a baby boomer myself. If you're thinking about making a change in your career, coming over to the reverse side of the industry, we will support you in building a business over here serving baby boomers and beyond.
So, real quick, we're not talking about traditional mortgage. We're talking about home equity conversion mortgages or reverse mortgages.
So we're working with all these service providers who are working with baby boomers who are retiring, and they're retiring to life after work and they want to age in place. Well, the number one expense through retirement is housing. And so we're at service to helping baby boomers and beyond and all of their families and their service providers by providing liquidity, by providing cash, by converting a portion of this home equity safely and prudently so they can use it to enhance their retirement outcomes.
Right. And we solve for things like long-term care, loss of family income due to death of a spouse, assisting in right sizing.
What I love about the baby boom demographic is that they love the relationship. If you're a relationships type salesperson, sales professional, and you're looking for deeply meaningful service to provide an impact to the communities that you're living in, this is a great space for you to pitch your tent, to unpack your bags, and build your business.
So then why Mutual of Omaha Mortgage?
I was with another firm before I came over to Mutual. It was a great company. It's just that I ended up having to explain myself a lot, right?
Yeah.
And you're not only educating a prospect about an unusual tool that's a little bit complex, but you're also having to explain who you are and who you work for, and with the Mutual of Omaha brand, it carries you right in there. I knew I knew the leadership was going to be really, really good over here. It's exceeded my expectations. The operations team is second to none, top shelf. I've never seen an ops team more engaged with the customer service experience. However, the brand itself, as important as I thought it was going to be, I had no idea.
You touched on what I think is the most important, and that is trust. right? There is an
Yeah.
instant level of trust. The company's been around since 1909, extremely well funded. Um, it is a mutual fund company, which is an interesting dynamic as opposed to publicly traded companies.
Yes.
So we look very strategically beyond. Our product fits right into the customers that they serve. I know that when I was younger, I looked forward to Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom. It resonates with me. So it resonates with our baby boomer demographic for sure. And then also you touched on we are number one in the space, and there is a reason for that. It doesn't just come from our brand. It comes from our leadership and our execution and our ability to support our salespeople out in the field. Yeah, and it's only getting stronger.
The Mutual of Omaha brand is a welcome mat, a door opener, and a table setter for you.
I'm talking with Paul Donohue, who is the Mid Atlantic sales manager, who has incredible experience in the mortgage industry. My name is Jeffrey Wallace. I'm the director of strategic business planning. Can you just let them know what the name is of our best in class onboarding and training program?
The Hero Development Program here at Mutual of Omaha is designed to provide the training, the coaching, and the development and the support needed to successfully make a career change.
It is truly a roadmap for success that
Yes,
is comprehensive, right? We're talking about training, obviously, on the product, coaching and the selling, real-time coaching on the selling process, its own specific, unique comp plan with guide rails to get you through, and then also lead.
you're going to have a base salary. You're going to be provided coaching on how to go out and build a self-source business. You're going to be out in the field originating while you're getting mentorship, while you're getting a base and plus a commission. The reverse mortgage is a unique financial tool in and of itself. So you've got to get the training on it. You've got to become familiar with it. And while you're doing that, you're getting the at bats because the only way for you to get competence and confidence in the field is at bats. We have this incredible team of coaches that are going to be working with you to hone your skills and to get you successful in the field. While you're getting what? You're getting a base and you're getting commissions.
We're talking about a getting into a new industry, and instead of just saying, here's the product, here's our sales process, go get them, we're talking about a roadmap that includes income while you're doing that. You do not have to have mortgage experience, but we are attracting people that do have mortgage experience. Their quick question for you would be, well, maybe I don't need 12 months. Do I have to participate for the entire 12 months?
No, you don't. It's up to 12 months. However, you will be supported for the full 12 months if you need that. So we want you to take a look at not only the reverse mortgage space, but the Mutual of Omaha team and what we're offering you as an opportunity over here.
Can you talk a little bit more about like why are we so good at what we do?
I'm very attuned to leadership, and I've never seen a leadership team like we have here at Mutual of Omaha Mortgage. It's extraordinary. It's exceeded my expectations coming over here. Front to back, top to bottom, the ops team is top shelf, second to none. We're closing loans effectively. Every single person that touches a file is very attuned to the customer experience. We have the most boots on the ground in the reverse space across the country, and we have the operations team behind it. We're always out in front. We're a mutual company. We're looking down the road, so we're hiring out in front of the production, ensuring that our service experience is top flight. We invite you to take a deep look. You're going to be surprised at what we can offer you.
So I think it's important to note that we are number one in the space,
Yes.
and and we are looking for the right people.
You just watched Jeffrey Wallace and I talking about the great opportunity here at Mutual of Omaha Mortgage. The question is it right for you? Let's have a conversation about the support that you're going to get by coming over here. It can be a little scary. when you're considering making a change from the familiar to the unfamiliar. We want to assure you that you're going to get the support. So let's have a conversation. Let's see if a move over to Mutual of Omaha Mortgage might be a good fit for you. Give me a call. I look forward to talking to you.